Hey, salut, mon nom c'est Pierre, je suis conférencier, je suis aussi un passionné de voyage et aujourd'hui j'ai des belles images à te montrer. En fait, les images sont des extraits d'un documentaire qu'on a tourné en Floride. Le documentaire en question s'appelle Floride, Roadtrip avec un capitaine. En fait, le voyage a été fait avec mon cousin Serge, qui est capitaine de bateau et qui se rendait donc en Floride pour tenter de se trouver un travail durant l'hiver. Alors, pendant ce road trip-là, on a fait des arrêts un peu partout. Et, entre autres, on s'est arrêté au lac Okeechobee, région bien connue pour les amateurs de chasse, mais d'une chasse très particulière. Vous allez voir, on a fait la rencontre d'un pourvoyeur là-bas. Et ce pourvoyeur-là, qui est un guide, vous amène chasser du gibier très particulier. Vous allez voir, c'est pas pour les peureux, disons. Alors, sur ce, bon visionnement.
On arrive au lac Okeechobee, où on fait une rencontre bien spéciale.
Je suis avec un pourvoyeur très particulier. En fait, Charles Holland. Salut Charles.
Yes, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Pleased to meet you. Yeah.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Charles est un pourvoyeur bien particulier parce qu'il amène des chasseurs, des pêcheurs, mais dans un environnement un peu hostile, disons. Et je vais m'entretenir avec lui pour voir quel type de pourvoyeur il est. What kind of outfitting you are doing?
Fishing, airboating, anything that you could want to do out here on the water, we do. Anything outdoors. Bird watching, frogging, bow fishing, gators, ducks, hogs.
There is some gator hunting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How does it work?
There's a couple different ways. We have private land hunting, which you can go out.
Okay.
And on some of our farms and ranch, you can use a gun, a rifle.
Okay.
Out here on the public land, you're not allowed to use a gun. We have to go in a boat, hook them, fight him on a rod till he gets tired, get him up next to the boat.
Like a fish.
And hit him with a bang stick.
Hook him.
Yes, just like fishing, yes.
Okay.
The public hunting is very, it's a lot of action. You're going to get tired, your arms are going to burn, the gator's going to be splashing everywhere, you're going to get wet.
How long could it take to...
Sometimes a couple hours.
Couple hours.
Sometimes it takes a big gator, 10, 11, 12 footer could take 2 hours sometimes to fight and get in before he gets tired.
Okay, wow. And what else can we hunt with you?
Hogs, gators, ducks. Duck season just ended. We do deer hunting. We have python hunting down in the Everglades. The pythons are destroying our Everglades. They're eating all the small game. They're eating deer and hogs. They're eating big game. They're eating alligators. I mean, it's a big problem.
Oh, yeah. Okay, how do you hunt python?
We go down to the Everglades and we will walk islands, walk levees. You just have to walk and look for them. Matter of fact, right now is breeding season.
Okay.
So they're very active right now.
Okay.
You can go down there right now and just go riding and walking islands.
And you shoot them or what?
Yes. And some areas we're allowed to shoot them. Some areas we're not. Some areas we just have to catch them and we'll kill them with a knife or you have to. They don't want you to kill them. They don't want you to go smash him in the head with a rock.
Okay.
They want you to kill him.
Fast.
Yes.
Okay.
They don't want you to be inhumane about it.
Okay, and how do you kill them if you don't use a gun?
We'll catch them and we'll stick them in the head with a knife.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And how do you catch a python?
You grab
Not with your head?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
That's crazy.
Yes.
I won't do this. That's for sure. I won't do this.
It's a very big thing. A lot of people, man, we have a lot of python calls.
How long have you been an outfitter?
I've been hunting and fishing my whole life. I used to work for other outfitters for years, since like 15, 16 years old. I'm 34, I'll be 35 in May.
Okay.
My outfit has only been open maybe 4 or 5 years.
Okay.
But I mean, this is what we were raised doing. I've been doing this stuff my whole life.
Wow.
We've been out here on this lake on the water when I was younger than them. I mean, little kid.
Okay.
Little kid.
Alors, avis aux chasseurs intéressés à une chasse un peu particulière ou encore de la pêche avec du gibier qu'on n'aura pas jamais au Québec, appelez Charles. Appelez Charles, il va vous organiser ça. Charles, it was a pleasure.
Yes, sir. Thank you guys very much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
We hope to see y'all come back and put y'all on some animals.
Good.